Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling every official proof you already have. Pull your passport and scan the biodata page and every stamped page. Once done, collect e-tickets, PNRs, and boarding passes that show movement. Next, include any past visas or residence permits and download frequent flyer activity or segmented luggage receipts that corroborate travel. Make sure to label files with dates and destinations so the narrative is obvious. This creates an auditable, chronological foundation for your Schengen application. If you have gaps, you must fill them using verifiable third-party records. Bookings with payment receipts, hotels, hostels, tours are strong. Once paid, download and timestamp confirmations. Export bank or credit card statements that show flight, accommodation, or transport charges to link dates to expenditures. If border agency records can be requested, obtain them and include official printouts. Make sure everything matches. Mismatched dates or names undermine credibility. Reconcile discrepancies. Finalize by creating a single, clearly labeled chronological timeline PDF that references each supporting file. Once done, add a concise cover letter that explains the purpose of trips and points to specific documents. Submit originals or certified copies when requested and keep digital backups. If something goes wrong, missing stamps or disputed dates, request official records from airlines, immigration, or hotels immediately, and include a signed affidavit explaining attempts to obtain proof. Make sure consulate contact details are available for follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.